Sabado. Kahit barok na lang nila, huwag lalaban. Hindi talaga ikaw mananalo.
So we have left the highway and we are now the outskirts of Manila, Cubao.
Umaban yung anak, nakalaban. Hindi ka mananalo.
Cubao or Cabao?
Hindi ka mananalo.
Huh?
Kaya umaban ng pasyal.
Balintadag.
Pero
Tawa.
hindi silang number 1.
Balintawa.
Ayun ang hindi.
Alright. You heard the boss.
Kasi nagka-issue sa babae.
Lots of giant billboards. Why she bought the glasses, babe? Did they give her a Bible? When I bought the glasses from EO, Executive Opticians, they gave me a Bible. Yeah. Yes, a Bible, a mini Bible. And a company, I don't know,
Hindi siya nangangampanya.
super religious.
Nung isang linggo bago pangampanya, kumuha lang ng bawat lugar na taon niya. O ito, bigay ka ng ticket sa link sa lahat ng tao. Kumuha siya ng kasi tinan mo, mangangampanya ka. Mapangit ka, tatasos ka. Magpapainom ka ka.
Huh?
Magpapainom ka. Pagka nalasing na yan, mag-awal mo sa mga asawa ko,
Ah, this is it, so. It's pretty good. Last time we were here, guys, traffic in this section known as EDSA. 6 lanes, bumper to bumper traffic, and you don't move for like 2 hours. Super painful. That's where you're coming from a flight. But now, excuse me, infrastructure in the Philippines has changed so well. The Skyway, no? Metro Rail, eh? The Skytrack. Okay, so there's more train connections, better highways now for shortcuts. So now traffic situation has really improved a lot, including with communications. Like internet here has done leaps and bounds. Gone are the days where I would come to the Philippines assuming that I'm going to have zero connection. So the last time we came here, the internet was completely crap, mobile internet, but now we got a Filipino phone number to put some credit card credit onto a portal, and then the portal will pay for all your upgrades, and it's like €3 and you get 16 gigs for a week of data, which is quite a lot. So for us it was marvelous. Then you put on the hotspot and you can connect up to 8 devices to it, so no issues whatsoever. Really advanced in the last 6 years. Really happy with that. But anyway, in the hotel we're gonna have decent Wi-Fi, so we're gonna save some gigs, some data. Okay guys, so we're nearly there. The next video will be a review of the hotel room. See you later.